Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screw on the rear panel of your oven. The reason why you would have to do this is because the screws are lost or damaged. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So to get to the screws, we're just going to turn our oven around. So as you can see here, we're missing two of our panel screws, which is causing this panel to be pretty loose right here. And it's not a huge deal, but it could cause some issues down the road, especially if you've got to move this and the panel gets caught on something. So grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So I'm going to put in two more replacements. And now you can see right there, panel's nice and tight, so we can turn it back around. And now we can turn our gas back on. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.